This is Saint Sebastian Road, and ever since the cyclone Tokte lashed our city, this has been like this. Just see this. And this is the road. I've shot a few videos earlier, but this is really bad. The BMC H ward has done nothing about this. The debris and the fallen tree has not been removed as yet. Right in the middle of the road. The BMC staff has no time. This is Bandra Saint Sebastian Road. And this debris has been lying ever since. This is the aftermath of the cyclone Tokte. But who really cares here? Not the residents of this area. They're all living in there. This is near Vijay Bhavan. Yesterday I walked from Bandra Reclamation . This is the state. This has been there since last 1 week. Ever since it's become like a garbage dump. Assalamualaikum, Sohail. So you saw, this is not an ordinary. This is not an ordinary region, place in Bandra. This is a posh locality. It's called Saint Sebastian Road, and this is the state. My legs get tired very fast these days. Yesterday, as I told you all, I walked from Bandra Reclamation at the back towards a village, fishing village called Cemetery, and from there to Khandeshwari Road. I shot the cemetery, Seaside, St. Peter Seaside Cemetery. I shot the Jewish cemetery that's in a real bad shape. See this. Just see this. This is Saint Sebastian Road. These are old villas, East Indian villas. This belongs to Mr. Pereira, I think. I met him recently. I'm fine, Suhail. So now I'm walking ahead towards Good Luck. So this road is known as Saint Sebastian Road. I must show you something. Let's see this. Both sides of the road. This is the Pereira Shenu, 12 Saint Sebastian Road. But it is worse. I mean, this is okay. At Bandra Reclamation, it is really. Thank you, Mr. Nawaz. Assalamu alaikum. At Bandra Reclamation, it is worse. There are huge trees, and this is near Avalon, Saint Sebastian Road. Just see this. रोड्स नहीं क्लीन हुए भाई, ये देखिए ना सब. ये है सेंट सेबास्टियन रोड. शायद मैं ही एक फोटोग्राफर हूँ जो कचरा शूट करता हूँ. मेरे पास कुछ और है भी नहीं शूट करने को. आई मीन, व्हाट डू आई शूट? I shoot Sufism, but shrines are all closed. I shoot Hinduism. I cannot go to Kamakya. I miss the Kumbh Mela in Haridwar. So, and this is near Silveri Shades. Just see this. Yeah, I'm not lazy ninja. I'm not going that side. My brand, the cable guy lives at Somnath Lake. I used to go there once upon a time, not anymore. So this is it. Now I'm just 5 minutes away from Good Luck. I'm 5 minutes away from Good Luck. Good Luck is shut. But you can have a cup of tea outside, and I have some Khoja friends of mine, Jalal Bhai and others. Start with them. Many years back, after the riots, I was staying here on rent in a place called Pitru Chaya next to Mehboob Studio. So that's how I became very close to Mohammad Bhai, one of the owners of the iconic Irani restaurant, Good Luck. There's a lot of traffic now. रोड भैया क्लीन नहीं हुए हैं यहाँ. रोड्स क्लीन नहीं हुए हैं. Yesterday I came through this road. It's called John the Baptist Road. ये John the Baptist Road है ना? हाँ. हाँ? हाँ, Tita. This is sorry, not John. This is
Tita Mata Garden. Tita Mata Garden. कौन रोड है?
This is Dr. Peter Dias Road. This is Dr. Peter Dias Road.
Okay, Tita Mata Garden. नहीं जा रही. Mount Mary ना, Mount Mary. Mount Mary Garden. हाँ.
I wish my brother, my rock star tennis player, Vishwanath, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Bhim. I miss you all, guys. So this is, buying opposite is Mehboob Studios. Some of the most iconic films have been shot over there. And this road above goes towards Bandstand one, and on the left side if you go, it goes to Mount Mary. I stopped going to Mount Mary. We have a lot of temples here. Joy Ma. Nawaz Saab, I'm not very good at video, Instagram, live. I'm not net savvy at all. So this is, how are you? This is Good Luck. This is Good Luck restaurant. And the restaurant is shut, but I can go and meet Mohammad Bhai. How are you? Very hot today. So this is Good Luck restaurant. Lot of people outside. Everybody wants to be served. And this is the great Mohammad Bhai, my greatest friend. His restaurant is shut, as you can see. And this is Liaquat, very hard-working guy. So, and Mohammad Bhai is a one-man army. This is a one-man army, Mohammad Zulfikar. His restaurant is shut, as you can see. Only takeaways are allowed and delivery, and people love this. The ambience, in spite of no client, is amazing. How he handles the, just see, one-man army. I used to stay here during the riots. हाँ पिलाओगे क्या नहीं, आप पिलाओगे तो जहर भी पिएंगे हम. See, this is Good Luck restaurant. It's totally shut, as you can see. It is famous for, कैसे हो? It is famous for Irani chai, bun maska, broon maska, keema pav, a lot of other things. But because of the pandemic and because of the lockdown, there is only takeaway deliveries. You can't enter inside. I am privileged to be allowed inside because of my old connection with Mohammad Bhai. His keema pav is the best. Mohammad Bhai's keema pav. Hi Manish Sunavne, hi Nawaz. मैं भाई नवाज भाई मैं फ़ोन नहीं उठाता हूँ क्योंकि मेरा तबीयत ज़रा सही नहीं है। अब मेरा बाईपास सर्जरी हुआ है, इसलिए बात नहीं कर पाता हूँ मैं।
पार्सल है
पी लो क्या पी लो।
इधर 95 वाला सर 95 वाला कितना 6 पीस हो गया 6 पीस
आ रही है सब
6 पीस ना 95 वाला 6 पीस
सबका 3 पीस जाएंगे। हाँ
रोल भी चाहिए
सलामकुम सफदर भाई।
सबका 5 फ्लेवर है।
कितना 5 है उसमें से 2 75 वाला है बाकी सब 95 वाला
हाँ
तो 95 वाला 6 3 से 9 हो गया 95 वाला 9 पीस 75 वाला 2 पीस 3 बोला ना
हाँ
So typical Irani joint. It is used to be very crowded in the mornings once upon a time. Before the pandemic, it used to be absolutely crowded. Evening time, morning time, afternoon time. Because this is opposite Mehboob Studios. And it is close to Bandstand. It's close to Mount Mary. And Mohammad Bhai is doing a great job. You all guys should visit. Good luck. Once the lockdown gets over and the pandemic gets over.
नो और 6 बस मतलब 15 पीस आए मेरे को 2 पैक करके दे 137
And now, मोहम्मद भाई मेरे
हाँ इनका हो गया सब पैसा आ गया खाली 500 करना है।
मोहम्मद भाई मेरे फ्रेंड्स लोग हाय बोल दो।
हेलो सर हाउ आर यू यहाँ तो दिख नहीं रहे हो सामने
ये उन लोग सामने हैं।
ओके सर
This एक मिनट This is Mohammad Bhai,
Hi,
my
sir.
best
How are
friend,
you, sir?
my best friend,
ओके
and he is the owner of Good Luck.
not the owner this is a family business sir
Okay, but whatever. For me, you're the owner. So this is the restaurant. I take my walk. I come here, and I am not well. I have diabetes. I have a blood sugar problem. So because of my age, he allows me to sit with him, and he offers me a cup of tea. He doesn't charge me, though I force the money on him. But this is a beautiful place. And from here, I'll try to walk back home. So that will clear about 4 kilometers or something. I'll walk back to Baroda Road, via Baroda Road. Thank you, Sayyid Anwar. Thank you, Nawaz. Thank you, Manish Sunavne. And wish you all guys the very best. Take care of yourself. All the best.